Hello guys, Brian back with an Algorand ALGO token update. Right now we are down 0.36% as I'm putting out this video. I put something together today. A lot of people have been asking what kind of targets for Algorand for the next bull run and stuff. So we're going to run some numbers here in a second and get some realistic ideas where this thing could possibly go the next bull cycle. And because people put some crazy stuff out there, right? So you want to look at the market cap, the circulating supply, and stuff like that. You just can't really just throw numbers out there. So we'll get into that in a second here. And if you would please hit that subscribe button, I would appreciate that so very much. And there's a link in the description if you're interested. KuCoin has given members of the channel 20% off of trading fees for life. So the link is in the description if you're interested in that, and you can go ahead and click on that. If not, no big deal. So here we go. Let's get into this thing. First off, we're going to look at this chart. All right, we have some good news here. Okay, Algo was forming this wedge pattern, and we have gotten a breakout of it. All right, so we've been waiting for this market to move, and it's about time. But we just got this breakout. I think it was this morning here, and it has back tested it. If we zoom in here real close, you can see that back test. Let me slide this out just a hair. There we go. Yeah, you can see the breakout and the back test right there on that red candle. So that's fabulous. We definitely need to see some positiveness coming out of Algo here. So that's great to see. Let's look at these RSIs. The 4-hour, you can see it is actually. Let me get my little pointer here out real quick, so people, if you're first time here, you know what we're looking at. You can see that starting to curve back up there. Okay, let's look at the 1 hour. The 1 hour is down to bottom, ready to come up. The 2 is on its way down. The daily, that's about in the middle. And let's look at the 8 and the 12. The 8 is at the top, and the 12 is on its way up. So could have another jump in it here for sure. I see Bitcoin is doing a correction there. It finished its 5 waves up, and in fact I'll show you that real quick. Might take a second. Let me get on here real quick, and let's put this on the 4-hour. Well, actually the hourly, so you can see it just a little bit better. Okay, you can see the 5 waves big Bitcoin did up here. And now usually after 5 waves up, it will do an ABC correction of some kind, but you can see it's just been going sideways here. We had this big spike here just a little bit ago. I don't know what that was about, but it sold off real quick. So, but it's holding on steady up there at the right around 30,000 bucks. It's at 30,125 right now, and it's definitely looking good. The RSIs on it are looking fantastic. The daily just spun up. So things are definitely looking positive here. But for Algo, let's get a measurement on this wedge breakout and see what kind of target this thing has for that. Okay, you take the width of the wedge. Let's get a measurement here and see. Usually these things are pretty accurate. So yeah, that would put us right up in that price range I've been waiting for us to hit, so that's perfect. Alright, so that price range up around 23.5 cents roughly for this breakout here. Then we'll have to see where it goes from there. But we had our 5 waves up over here, and then we had our ABC correction. Then we kind of just went sideways in a diagonal here, and forming this wedge, and we broke out of it. But let's move on. I want to get to them price targets for you here. Here's the top 100 coins first. This is on the hourly. You can see we're having a pullback here on the hour. That's the daily right there. So you can see that we are definitely turning a corner here as far as that hourly, and we are getting pullbacks. A lot of these RSIs on this thing are at the top and overextended. A lot of them have done 5 waves up, and now they're looking for pullbacks, and nothing abnormal, 100% normal. Here's the crypto fear and greed index. Look at that volume. Boy, that's good to see. Market cap's up 4.34%. Volume's up 55.5%. Bitcoin dominance is up to 45.3%. And we are up 6 clicks to a 68 on the crypto fear and greed indicator. And here's your top gainers and top losers for the day from CoinMarketCap. And we'll go down through them so you can check them out real quick. And there we go. That's that. All right, let's get to these price targets. If Algo can Algo hit $10? Okay, first off, let's start out with $5. All right, and work our way up from there. Okay, Algorand has a market cap of $1,587,000,000. It has a maximum supply of 10 billion coins. Okay, let's go down to the bottom here and see. We had an all-time high of $3.28 4 years ago, and 3 years ago was our all-time low of 10 cents on this thing. Okay, so let's get some numbers here. Let's run some numbers. A $5 Algorand. Okay, so if we take $5, we've already hit $3 as an all-time high, times 10. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That would give us a $50 billion market cap. Okay, now what I pulled up over here, this is a historical snapshot from November of 2021, right when the bull run was almost at its high. Okay, so a $50 billion, that would put us right around Polkadot and XRP. Okay, which is absolutely, because you know what, this was last bull cycle. These things are going to be double next time. Okay, Ethereum was at $500 million. Bitcoin was at 1.2 trillion. All right, now right now in the bear market, Bitcoin is actually down at this number here, $500 million. So I expect Bitcoin to be well over $2 trillion, Ethereum to be over $1 trillion. You know, a lot of these numbers are going to double. Okay, if XRP, geez, can you imagine? This was XRP at $1.18. Okay, now imagine if this 7 or 8 X's, you're looking at $300-400 billion if this thing goes to, you know, $10. You know, so 50 billion, absolutely in the cards for sure. That is not unrealistic. Okay, $5. Okay, now let's see what a $7 Algorand will go. Well, let's go 750, and then we'll go 10. 7.50 times 10. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry, I have to count in threes there. There's no decimal points here, so you have to. $75 billion, okay, for $7.50. 75 billion. All right, right up around Solana. Okay, and like I said, who knows? Solana, it was at $238 there, and I'm sure that thing is going to be double the next bull run too. You know, they've had their problems lately, but even Cardano, that was at $2.04 here. It had an all-time high right around $3. So yeah, I'm sure Cardano is going to be up around 150 billion. You know, these numbers are going to be a lot bigger. So is that unrealistic? The $75 billion. That would be, yeah, like I said, Solana's old number. No, I don't think it is. You know, it would have to definitely take some buyers coming in the market and a big bull run. But let's look at that $10 mark and see what that would do, okay? For $10. Obviously 10 times 10, $100 billion for a $10 algo. Okay, 100 billion. You'd be looking right around Binance coin. Okay, and who knows where Binance? That's when Binance was $650. who knows where Binance could be. This thing could triple by next time. You know what I mean? Like I said, all these numbers are going to be doubled. Most of these coins are going to be over $100 billion as it is. You know, I would expect them to double, if not triple. I mean, come on. Geez, I seen Matic go from 4 cents to $3. I seen Gala Games go from a tenth of a penny to 84 cents. Just over and over and over and over again. I've just seen this market just surprise. It's insane. I mean, XRP was down when I came into market. XRP I think was 16 cents. Something like that. Okay, so what's that multiplied with the market cap here? You know, it only went to a little over $2 last time, but yeah, realistic. I think it's realistic. I do. I honestly, truly, I do. It hit a $3 all-time high last time. Okay, that's only a 3x. All right, if people say that that's unrealistic. $3.28 to do a 3x in a bull run and go to $10. Absolutely, I 100% agree. $10 Algorand, not financial advice, folks. I'm not a financial advisor. Please don't take it like that, and I don't need that problem. But yeah, me personally, it would not surprise me a bit. So. All right, there you go. Please hit that like button and subscribe button, and thank you so very, very much for watching my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and you know, when you put the numbers together, it sometimes it makes more sense to just go look at the numbers than read these articles people put out just to get you know, just to get people reading the article. You know, $100 Algorand. That's pretty impossible. So. All right, thank you so much, guys. Have a great night.